Welcome back. This is Gabriel once more. So today we are going to be looking at some few basic commands in MySQL. So for us to really work in MySQL, the first thing we have to understand is what is MySQL. So MySQL is a widely used relational database management system, and it is free and open source. It is ideal for both small and large applications. So for you to really master these MySQL commands, you have to first of all understand the SQL commands. So we are going to first of all have some few commands here, which is to understand what we have so far. So as I mentioned before, I'll be using the command prompt to run this. You can also use the MySQL command line to run this. It's not a problem. It's the same way. So if we type in our database, for us, first of all, we have to log into our database by typing this command, MySQL -u root -u. Then we type our password. Is the one you install or you have when you were installing the MySQL. So we are inside the MySQL database. So what can we do now? We have to first show the different databases that are available. Let us look at different databases available. Show databases, and then you put your semicolon. Always end with a semicolon. So to show databases, we have these are different databases available inside our MySQL database. Now we can use one. Let us use this one, which is use Gatek. Okay, so if you press use Gatek, means I want to use this particular database. Then we have database change. So what are we going to do? We are going to see how many tables are available inside this database. So we're going to type show tables. Then we end it with it, and then we'll see we have tables. We have student tables. Okay. So in this, if we say select, this command is used to select all the information in a particular table. So we say select star from student, and we close it away. It's going to see that student does not exist. Okay, so we have gatek.student, so it is in singular, so student. Okay, so we start inside this particular student. There is nothing, only there is no columns, nothing table information inside this particular table. So that is what we want to understand. So first of all, we're going to be using this student. Okay, we're going to be using this Gatek database to work using during this course section. So that is how you can actually see the different tables available in your database, and how you can also see the database. In our next section, we are going to move on to SQL, because for us to really understand MySQL, we must first of all understand the SQL. So SQL is a standard language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in a database. So SQL will help you to manipulate all the information, to store information in the database, as well as to retrieve the information from the database. So it is very important for us to understand. And what does SQL stand for? SQL stands for Standard Structured Query Language. Okay, it stands for Structured Query Language, and it allows you to access and manipulate databases, and it became one of the most popular American National Standards Institute. That was 1986. So those are the basics of SQL. It's easy for you to execute queries against a database. Also easy for you to retrieve, insert records, update, delete, and many more that we're going to be seeing during this course. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video. In our next video, we're going to look at the syntax of SQL and how you can actually start inserting values by creating a database, creating a table, and then inserting values into that particular table. Thank you, and see you on our next video. This is Gabriel once more from Gatek Group.